Hi, I'm Pvt Bindagi from Spraymet Surface Technologies, Bangalore. We have been involved in thermospray coatings and severe service coatings for various industries. We have a plant in Bangalore and Pune. We have also another company called Kinetic engaged in marketing of supersonic spray equipments and triplex plasma equipment for thermal barrier coatings and aviation coatings. After my metallurgy, initially I went to Bombay to serve in a company called Unbraco as a R&D engineer. Then joined Advani Olicon to market the spray equipments from Metco USA after getting training in Australia and USA. Coming back to India, I started propagating this new technology to various industries. That time only Air India and Indian Airlines had the equipment. Today there are about 100 equipments running in India. That's very satisfying that we could penetrate the market with this new technology and make the customers and the service industry aware that such a process is available for high-end applications of wear corrosion and erosion. So we have very good portfolio of coatings starting from tungsten carbide, chrome carbide, ceramics, metals, inconels, covering whole range of applications from severe wear in oil drilling industry and aviation industry, and very delicate applications like medical implants and jet engine parts. So it's a technology is very interesting. That's the reason that we have been very successful in catering to the high-end customers like HAL, BHL, ISRO, Triveni turbines, GE turbines, and NHPC hydro turbines. So these coatings replace to some extent hard chrome, which is slightly carcinogen in its nature. And to that extent, we can say that we are contributing technologically to back to society and to the environment, making the such processes less pollutant compared to the earlier generation processes. Be technologically aware, adopt greener processes, and try to conserve the costly materials of the earth and then contribute back to the environment. Thank you very much.